Okay, this is a video that I'm making as sort of a supplement to my pfSense blog at pfSensesetup.com. And this is in response to a user email that I got asking what the pros and cons of installing pfSense onto a flash drive are, and if there's any issues with logging restrictions, etc. And I couldn't think of anything off the top of my head that would prevent you from running pfSense successfully from a flash drive. There are memory stick images that are available for download from the pfSense uh, download site, and in fact, the version of pfSense that I'm using now is installed onto a NeoWare thin client. I think is a flash drive, has a flash drive inside. And I'm looking at the system information. It's got memory usage 17% of 474 megabytes, um, and disk usage 61% of 483 megabytes. I'm pretty sure that's a flash drive. So fairly limited memory and disk space. I'm not sure if I should be concerned about the fact that 61% of disk space is used up. And one thing that you want to take into account is that I downloaded the memory stick image, and it looks like it's about 179 megabytes. So you want to make sure that you have at least that much disk space on your flash drive. And if you install additional packages, and you'll need more disk space, and the logs are going to take up some space. So there's that's another issue. But I figured that the easiest way to see if there's any what the pros and cons of installing um, pfSense onto a flash drive and running it from a flash drive would be to actually download the image and install it onto a flash drive and then try to run it. So we have here the memory stick image that I'm going to bring it up here in Windows Explorer here. So you can see I actually downloaded the image file here. Actually, let's yeah, this looks like it's okay. Let's try to write this to a flash drive. And I bought a flash drive tonight at Staples explicitly for this purpose, and the cost was $9.99. It's a $9.99. That is. It's a Lexar 16 gigabyte drive. You can buy such drives, uh, and you can probably even find ones cheaper than that if you look around, I would imagine. But yeah, it's not uncommon to find 16 gigabyte drives relatively cheap. So we it's we have it. The Win32 disk imager open up here, and it's set to device P, which is the flash drive, and we want the image file. So we're going to point it to the image that we downloaded, and you have to unzip it. That's another thing. I unzipped it before I started recording to save some time. Okay, let's see. We have manuals. Yeah, this is where we put it. So let's see what we have here. pfSense setup, memstick, and this is the image. And let's see. We might as well generate an MD5 hash so we can compare it to the MD5 file that I downloaded. It's going to generate an MD5 hash, and generally it's good practice to verify the integrity of these images that you download. And now we're going to write the image file to the flash drive. So I'm just going to click on write. It says writing to a physical drive can corrupt the device. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And we're writing it to to the flash drive now. And it seems to be making good progress. We're about halfway done. And we should be done pretty quickly. And it's now done. So it really is that easy to write it generate right to the flash drive. And in the next video, we'll actually go downstairs and try to run pfSense off of the flash drive on one of my computers. So I'll see you in the next video.